Should've seen it coming when the roses died. Should've seen the end of summer in your eyes. Should've listened when you said goodnight. You really meant goodbye. Baby, ain't it funny how we never ever learn to fall? You're really on your knees and think you're standing tall, but only fools are know-it-alls, and I played that fool for you. I cried and I cried, there were nights that I died for you, baby. I tried and I tried to deny your love drove me crazy, baby. If the love that I've got for you's gone, and if the river I've cried ain't that long, then I'm wrong, yeah, I'm wrong. This ain't a love song. Baby, I thought you and me would stand the test of time, like we got away with the perfect time. But we were just a legend in my mind. I guess that I was blind. Remember those nights dancing at the masquerade? The clouds wore smiles that wouldn't fade, but you and I were the renegades. Some things never change. It made me so mad 'cause I wanted it bad for us, baby. And now it's so sad that whatever we had ain't worth saving. Oh, if the love that I've got for you's gone, and if the river I've cried ain't that long, then I'm wrong, yeah, I'm wrong. This ain't a love song. If the pain that I'm feeling so strong is the reason I'm holding on, then I'm wrong, yeah, I'm wrong. This ain't a love song. I cried and I cried, there were nights that I died for you, baby. I tried and I tried to deny your love drove me crazy, baby. If the love that I've got for you's gone, if the river I've cried ain't that long, then I'm wrong, yeah, I'm wrong. This ain't a love song. If the pain that I'm feeling so strong is the reason I'm holding on, then I'm wrong, yeah, I'm wrong. This ain't a love song. Then I'm wrong, yeah, I'm wrong. This ain't a love song. Then I'm wrong, yeah, I'm wrong. This ain't a love song.
This dance is called Rolling with the Boys, choreographed by Whitehouse, McKeever, Simon Wall, and Niels Poulsen. It's a 3-2 count, 2 wall, face advanced level line dance. There are 2 parts in this dance. Part A has 16 count, and Part B also has 16 count. The dancing sequence is A A B, A A A B B, A A B B, B plus ending. Now let me show you the step for part A. Part A has 16 count. Section 1, facing 130. Starting with your left foot. Forward to right diagonal, 1/8 turn left, sweep your right foot, with cross, side, behind. Side lunge, quarter turn right, recover, half turn right, stepping back. Back rock, recover, half turn left, stepping back, half turn left, stepping forward. Continue quarter turn left, hitch your right foot, forward locking step. Section 2, step forward, pivot half turn right, make another half turn right, stepping back. Back with a hook, forward, full turn to your left. Half turn left, stepping back, half turn left, stepping forward with a sweep. Cross, hitch your left foot, with cross, side, behind. Side and drag your left foot, facing 730. Last part 8, now with the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3. 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Last part 8. Now let me show you the step for part B. Part B has 16 counts. Again, facing 130, 3/8 turn left diamond. Forward, 1/8 turn left, stepping to side, 1/8 turn left, stepping back. Back, 1/8 turn left, stepping to side, forward. 2 PC walk, left, right. Quarter turn left diamond. Cross, side, 1/8 turn left, stepping back, back, 1/8 turn left, stepping to side, cross. Step left foot to left side and raise up both arms. Full turn right, spin on your right foot and cross your arm. Hitch your left foot. Section 2. Left foot to side and push your arm to side. 1/8 turn right, forward locking step. Step forward with a half turn right, keep weight on your left foot. Forward with a drag. Twinkle half turn left, basic. Forward, quarter turn left, stepping to side, quarter turn left, stepping back. Another twinkle half turn left. Back, quarter turn left, stepping to side, quarter turn left, forward. Forward with a kick. Another twinkle half turn left. Back, quarter turn left, stepping to side, quarter turn left, stepping forward. Last step for part B, now with the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4. 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and Last part B. Now let me show you the ending. The last B, you'll be facing front wall. Do 11 count, then do an ending. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3. These are 11 count. On the lyrics, raise up both arms for about 4 count. On the lyrics song, pull your arms down. When guitar string comes, walk off the floor, hitting each beat. Walk, 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 walk. Last ending, last whole dance. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.